Okay, today we are going to do concept 14 for our Neuhaus reading. Okay, so we are on reading concept 14. So I want you to say each word after me. Lasso, lemon, leader, lumber, lily. What sound is the same in all the words? L. Yes, L. So now I'm going to write the words or type the words on the board for you. So we have lasso, lemon, leader, lumber, and lily. Let's make these a little bit bigger. All right. So the letter or the letter, what is the letter or the letters that is the same in all of the words? It's the very first letter in each one, and it is L. So what do you know about the letter L? Just think about it for a second. We know that it's a consonant. We know that it's pronounced L, L. The L sound is blocked by the tongue. So everybody say L and see where your tongue goes. L, L. Your tongue is blocking it. The sound is a voiced consonant sound, and it is a continuant sound. Now we're going to go over our Neuhaus word card deck. So I'm going to give you a chance to say them, and then we're going to say them together. Okay? Here we go. Sit, sip, pin, in, tin, tip, pit, it, sin, spin, tint, pits, past, snap, pass. And our new words today are going to be as, span, and spit. Okay, so now we are going to add some new words from concept 14. Last, spill, list. All right, let's go ahead and move on to our reading practice for 14. First, we are going to find the letter T and place it. So since you guys can't place it, I'm going to do it for you, and you can just use your fingers. So when I say place it, that means just use your finger and drag it down, and I'll try to drag it down with you. So we're going to find the T. Now let's find the P. Let's find the N. Let's find the S. Let's find the A. Let's find the L and the I. Very good. Okay, so now let's find the letter A and place it. Now let's find the letter P and place it after the letter A. So there's P, we're going to put it after A. What does that say right here? App. If that says app, make it say lap. Which one of these words could I make it say lap? If I put that L there, does that say lap? No, let's see. Maybe if I put it here. Does that say lap? Does that make sense? Okay. Now, if that says lap, let's make it say sap. Let's see. Does that say sap? Sap? No. What about this? No, that's slap. I want it to say sap. Does that say sap? Yes, sap. Now, if that says sap, make it say sip. Sap. We want it to say sip. So what do we need to put instead of an A? An I. Now we have sip. Very good. If that says sip, make it say lip. Does that say lip? No, let's see. Does that say lip? Looks like lip, yep. All right, let's put all of our letters back in a row. Find the letter that says A and place it. Now find the letter that says T and put it after the A. What does that say? At. If that says at, make it say sat. If that says sat, make it say pat. If that says pat, make it say pit. If that says pit, make it say lit. If that says lit, make it say lip. If that says lip, make it say lap. If that says lap, make it say nap. If that says nap, make it say nip. Very good. Let's place all of our letters back in a row. Find the letter that says I. Now find the letter that says P and place it after the letter I, or the letter I. What does that say? Ip. Place the letter N before the I. Now what does that say? Nip. Replace the N with an S and tell me what that says. Sip. Let me move these letters over just a little bit for us. Okay. Replace the S with an L and tell me what it says. Lip. Replace the L with a T and tell me what it says. Tip. I like to tip my waitress. Very good. Replace the I with an A and tell me what it says. Tap. Replace the P with an N. Tell me what it says. Tan. Very good. Let's put our letters back. One more. Find the letter that says I. Name the letter and place it. So I, that would be I. Find the letter that says T and place it after the I. What's that say? It. Place the P before the I and tell me what it says. Pit. Replace the P with an S and tell me what it says. Sit. Replace the S with an L and tell me what it says. Lit. Replace the T with a P. Lip. Replace the I with an A. Lap. Now put your letters back in a row. Find the letter that says A. Name the letter and place it. Now find the letter that says P and place it after the A. What's that say? App. Place the S before the A and tell me what that says. Sap. Replace the S with an N and tell me what that says. Nap. Replace the N with a T and tell me what that says. Tap. Replace the A with an I and tell me what that says. Tip. Replace the P with a T and tell me what that says. It. Very good. Now we will begin the word profile activity. Say this word after me. Pit. Let's unblend the sounds in the words pit together. P, I, T. How many sounds or phonemes are in this word? 3. P, I, T. What are some other words that rhyme with pit? So I say sit, bit, lit, kit, knit. Those all rhyme with pit. How many letters are in this word? Let's think about the different meanings of the word pit. So have you ever eaten a whole peach? What's inside of that peach? It's called a pit. Or have you ever been on a picnic and cooked hamburgers? Did you do it in a fire pit or a barbecue pit? Let's talk about these two different meanings. So you have a fire pit and a peach pit. What is the difference in these two meanings? Right, so like a fire pit is something, it's like a hole in where you're cooking your hamburgers and stuff, where a peach pit would just be the seed that's in the middle of a pit. Can you think of any other meanings of the word pit? What about this sentence? What if I said, the car went off the road and fell into a large pit in the middle of the grassy meadow? What does pit mean right there? It could mean a big hole. We can use pit in different expressions. So I can say, what do you think it means if I say, today was just in the pits? Am I having a good day or a bad day? Probably a bad day. So if I go on vacation and I spend lots of money that I had not intended to spend and refer to the vacation as a money pit, what do I mean? So if we know that pit could mean hole and I say that's a money pit, then that means all my money probably went down the drain, went in this hole. So I will give you a moment to think of a sentence using one of the meanings or expressions of the word pit or pits. Then share it with a family member, a brother or sister, or just say it out loud. So my sentence is, I will make sure to cut around the pit of the peach. All right, and that is it for today. I will see you guys next time.